Why are the granules on asphalt shingles so important? Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from ShinglEx in Berkeley, California. If you look closely at an asphalt shingle roof, you will see it's covered with mineral granules. Those granules are not just for appearance. They actually play a very important role in protecting the roof. First, they act as a UV shield. Sunlight can break down the asphalt binder over time, and the granules help protect the asphalt from direct UV exposure. Second, they provide physical protection. They help the surface resist weathering, rain impact, and general wear. And third, they help control temperature and durability of the shingle surface. But as shingles age, those granules start to loosen and wash away. Once that happens, the asphalt underneath becomes exposed and the roof begins to deteriorate much faster. That's where a product like ShinglEx 800 can help. ShinglEx 800 forms a thin acrylic film on the surface of the shingles, and this film helps bind and hold the existing granules in place while adding an extra layer of protection against UV and weather. The goal isn't to change the roof, it's to help protect the surface and slow down further granule loss on aging but still sound shingles. And by keeping those shingles where they belong, you can help extend the service life of the roof. If you ever have questions about asphalt shingle restoration or whether a roof is a good candidate for rejuvenation, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Alright, questions, contact us or comments below. Like it, hit like, want more, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.